Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Santander UK customer service. Firstly open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. Type down santander.co.uk and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top there's this support icon here. Select this support and over here you need to scroll a bit down. And from here if you need help with your mobile banking, online banking or other option here, what you need to do is you can simply find this frequently asked question here, and over here you'll find this instruction. You need to simply follow the on-screen instruction. If you still need more help, you need to go off and select to this contact us here. And over here, simply scroll a bit down here. You need to choose a category of your issue. And from here, simply select again. And you need to choose a topic and option again. So over here, scroll a bit down from here. You need to select this callers from your registered number here. And after that, you'll get this number. For general personal banking inquiries here for customers in the UK, support is generally available from Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. with additional hours depending on the type of inquiry. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.